This should not happen. But this is what you want. If your gel wrinkles like this, you are not curing wrong. You are applying it wrong. This is where it starts. Too much product. When this goes into the lamp, the top cures first. But underneath it is still soft. So the surface tightens and pulls the gel. That is what creates wrinkles. Use thinner layers. Let the gel level itself. Don't push the product. Guide it. Now it cures evenly. No tension. It is not your lamp, it is your application. That is the difference.